Hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Club. We're going to take up the 31-inch Condor, or I think it's the X-75 Condor. I think that's what it is. For Value Hobby. Now I've gone in there. I got a mix for the throttle, but it's very slight. I may have to increase it. Because last time I've only flown her one time. I only flew her, just took her 2 quick laps around because it was just so windy. That a beautiful rainbow, but it was just so windy, and so for that reason, but she kept wanting to dive on me as soon as I gave her any real throttle. So hey, I think she's fine now. Yeah, not bad at all. A nice little flyer. Now she's just a bank and yank, so no rudder control, so you don't have any yaw correction. But I got a nose rudder installed, and boy, an 1800 is perfect in this little plane. Hey, not bad, not bad. Yeah, hey, I'm quite impressed. Like I say, now she's bank and yank, so it's a 9 by or a 6 by 4 pusher prop on there. I mean, she's not no rocket ship, and the wind's kind of bad right now, but hey, not bad at all for a $50 kit. For a $50 kit, I'm pretty happy. I forget who gave me the advice on the mix, but yeah, working perfect. I think a couple of people actually gave me the advice on the mix. Of course, that little white plane on that cloudy sky. Hey, grass ops. All right. Not bad at all for such a light little plane. All right, I gotta say, I'm quite impressed. Whoa. Okay, motor off. Let's check for damage. That was a rough landing, but it's awfully windy, and this plane only weighs maybe a pound. Maybe. Let's see. Front nose gear got a little scuff here. Hey, she's fine. She's so light. So all right, we're gonna call that a successful remaiden. Now that I've got that mix in there on that throttle. So hey, let me go in here. I don't even remember how much it was, but there you go, folks. That is a 31 inch. This is the X-75 Condor by Value Hobby. It's a $50 or $55 kit. You just add your own electronics and a receiver and everything. And I added a steerable nose wheel. Good fly little plane. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all. And don't forget, stay family and friends and planes. Bye bye.